Billions of dollars are pouring into energy storage. If energy storage batteries were still considered an emerging technology a decade ago, today they have become one of the most heavily funded segments of the global energy industry. From utilities and battery manufacturers to investment funds and technology companies, billions of dollars are being invested in energy storage projects worldwide. So what has turned a once overlooked technology into a major market focus? To answer that, we need to look at how the global energy system is changing. For decades, electricity generation relied primarily on coal, natural gas, and hydropower. These sources can generally adjust their output to respond to changes in electricity demand. But the rapid growth of solar and wind power has introduced an entirely new challenge. Clean energy is not always available exactly when we need it. On some days, solar generation can exceed demand around midday, only for electricity demand to rise sharply in the evening. At other times, strong winds can generate significant amounts of electricity when demand remains relatively low. Without adequate storage capacity, some of this renewable electricity cannot be utilized as efficiently as it could be. This is the gap that energy storage is designed to fill. But this is not simply a story about technology. It is also a story about capital and investment. As governments pursue emissions reduction targets and increase the share of renewable energy in their power systems, demand for energy storage is rising alongside it. Investors recognize a fundamental reality. If renewable energy is the future, energy storage will be essential to making that future work reliably and efficiently. That is why battery storage is no longer viewed simply as a standalone product. It is emerging as a major new market with rapidly growing investment potential. Another key driver is technological advancement. Battery costs have declined significantly in recent years, while performance, safety, and lifespan have continued to improve. As a result, more energy storage projects are becoming economically viable. From utility-scale installations to factories, industrial parks, and commercial buildings, battery energy storage systems, BESS, are being deployed across an increasingly wide range of applications. And BESS is not simply about storing electricity. It can also help businesses optimize energy costs, improve power reliability, increase system flexibility, better integrate renewable energy. Vietnam is beginning to experience this trend as well. As electricity demand continues to grow, renewable energy capacity expands, and businesses face increasing pressure to manage energy costs and reduce emissions. Energy storage solutions are expected to play an increasingly important role. In many ways, battery storage today resembles solar power more than a decade ago. What was once considered an emerging technology is gradually becoming an important component of investment strategies for both businesses and the broader power system. But there is a more practical question. If BESS is expanding rapidly worldwide, what does it actually mean for a manufacturing plant? Is energy storage technology only relevant to large energy companies? Or can factories and businesses operating within industrial parks also benefit from BESS? Why are more manufacturers beginning to explore battery storage? What are they expecting from the investment? Lower electricity costs? Greater operational continuity? Or a stronger competitive position in the energy transition? We will explore these questions in the next video. Why are factories turning to BESS?